Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to generate AI pictures using Gemini. First, navigate to the Gemini interface and locate the image generation tool. You'll find a dedicated section for creating visuals. Input your desired image description into the prompt box. Be clear and concise to guide the AI effectively. Once your prompt is ready, initiate the generation process. Gemini will then produce images based on your input, ready for review. To get the best AI images, focus on crafting detailed prompts. Describe your subject, setting, and desired mood. For example, instead of a dog, try a golden retriever playing in a sunny park with vibrant green grass. Include artistic styles like watercolor or photorealistic. Adding details about lighting or color palettes, such as warm golden hour light, significantly improves the output quality. After Gemini generates your initial images, take time to review them critically. If an image isn't quite right, don't hesitate to refine your prompt. You can add or remove details, change the style, or specify different elements. Often, small adjustments, like adding with a soft focus or from a low angle, can lead to significant improvements. Generate several variations to find the perfect visual. For more control, explore Gemini's advanced settings, if available, to fine-tune aspects like aspect ratio or image resolution. Always be mindful of usage guidelines for AI-generated content, especially if you plan to use images commercially. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other fantastic deals and resources mentioned in this video. Experiment with different prompt lengths and complexities to discover Gemini's full creative potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.